Flora dan fauna yang terdapat di Taman Warisan Merimbun telah menjadi tarikan penuntut dari Sekolah Sains dan Teknologi Singapura dan Maktab Sains Paduka Seri Begawan Sultan untuk melawat sambil belajar. Lawatan seumpama ini memberi pendedahan kepada penuntut mengenai hutan tropika dan pelbagai bio yang terdapat di Taman Warisan Tasik Merimbun serta mengenalkan ekologi dan ekosistem taman ini. Para pelajar ini juga berpeluang untuk berjalan merentasi kawasan Taman Harbour melalui Danai menuju Banuni Trail sejauh 650 km. Selain mempelajari teori tentang alam semula jadi dan kehidupan liar, para pelajar juga dapat mempelajari tumbuhan semula jadi yang saling bergantung antara satu sama lain dalam ekosistem yang dipelajari.
Program ini sebenarnya adalah program immersion di mana Sekolah Sains dan Teknologi dari Singapura datang ke Brunei untuk mengadakan lawatan, iaitu salah satu program yang mereka diadakan di sana. Program ini untuk mengenali bukan sahaja maktab sains tapi apa yang ada di Brunei lah. Jadi sekarang ni apa yang berlaku adalah mereka kemari untuk mengetahui biodiversiti yang ada di Tasik Merimbun. Okey. Kemudian yang akan kita lakukan adalah untuk mengadakan satu seperti debate di mana para penuntut akan cuba mengetahui apakah future masa depan Tasik Merimbun melalui debat tersebut. So ini bukan saja muka minda semua penuntut tapi juga orang yang akan orang yang menjadi audience debat itu nanti. Hari ini, sepanjang hari ini kita berada di Tasik Merimbun. Jadi bukan sahaja kita membuat program lawatan mengenali biodiversiti, tapi juga untuk membuat satu software atau satu program untuk mengenalkan Tasik Merimbun, iaitu tourism package. So para penuntut akan memasukkan ke dalam blog, jadi orang ramai boleh melihat hari ini, dan esok kita akan mengadakan debate di Maktab Sains. So semua orang akan mengambil serta in terms of berdebate dan in terms of membuat blog. Okay. Saya harap para pelajar Maktab Sains mengambil sedikit ataupun banyak cara mereka belajar, cara mereka bercakap, cara pergaulan, diorang dapat mempelajari dan adapt tu cara mereka di Maktab Sains. So bukan saja mereka sendiri tapi untuk dikongsi bersama penuntut pelajar di tahun yang lain. Ya.
Para pelajar yang menyertai lawatan ini juga berpendapat aktiviti yang dikendalikan banyak membawa faedah dalam pengajian mereka.
So it's a place really different from the urban areas like Bandar. So before I came here, I didn't know that Tasik Merimbun has so much species. So after I came here, then I know that actually Tasik Merimbun has so much species. Also, it told me that actually the white-collared bat, which is actually the Tasik Merimbun is a place where this bat is discovered. So I thought Brunei have no special species, but actually it has. So it's really amazing. And then, so this Tasik Merimbun, it actually tells us about the past, because all urban areas actually developed from these forests. And in the urban areas, we can see trees at the roadside, but it's not as good as Tasik Merimbun. As in Tasik Merimbun has labels all around it and telling us what type of trees there are. Because we do study in school, but it's not that detailed, which I believe that this will increase our knowledge, general knowledge that we couldn't get in the classroom. So as I said earlier, I came here before, but this is a new trail. So yeah, I learn more type of species. Example, the gaharu tree. Yeah, it's about making perfume, right? Yeah. So that's a new thing that I learned, and this is yeah. And I've never been to this hut before, so it's my first view of the whole pond here. Yeah. Basically that's it.
Seni ni memang indah, macam walaupun kali pertama datang kan, macam kamu lihat semua kan lawa tu atasnya lawa, macam siaplah sini bangin fresh lah, segar. Banyak knowledge yang kami terima dari terutama dari cikgu yang kita semua pokok-pokok yang ada di sini tentang Brunei punya pokok yang tersendiri kan, yang hanya terdapat di Brunei dan lepas tu kami adalah banyak dan kepentingan pasal pokok-pokok ni. Kalau boleh kami kena eksposkan kepada semua murid supaya tahu kepentingan alam kepada dunia ini. So macam kami tahulah kepentingannya dan kami aware kenapa mesti dijaga pulau ni dan kenapa mesti dijaga pokok-pokok dan kenapa boleh ditebang. Pasal global warming, tema ni akan makin panas dunia.
My trip so far was quite exciting. I got to see many different things which I actually did not experience in Singapore or any parts of the world actually. Like example, like these forest areas, they're not actually found in Singapore. They're not very common since Singapore is a very small country. This experience actually helped me to appreciate and learn about nature more than what I can usually learn in my own country. And it's also like a outside classroom experience, and you get to get hands-on with nature. Like this lake here is actually something to appreciate with many organisms and many living things which help us in different ways, maybe in the form of food or oxygen. They're actually very important to us, and without them we can't actually live. I think when I grow up, maybe if I have children, maybe I'll bring my family here one day just to show them about how important nature is to us, and also help them learn that every single country has a different culture, and we should appreciate every single culture, no matter how different it is compared to your own culture.
It's a very green place, and I'm a very big fan of nature, and the greenery is very calm. So it's different from what I always see in Singapore. Although there is a lot of greenery in Singapore, I think that this is better, and I learned to appreciate nature more, and it's very calm, and I think that it's a very enjoyable experience to be here and to experience walking around here in the first place. Yeah. I think they will really enjoy exploring here as well, because they tend to be very annoyed with noises, and this is a very quiet, peaceful place, so I think they will really enjoy being here.
I think it's beautiful, like with the nature, like there's only found here Brunei, like what do you call it, maragang, like trees. Is like different, experience for us. It's really important, I think, for the future experience. So I can know the nature, like everything that I don't know from what I learned in class. Like it's really different. You should go here, it's beautiful. I think it's very good to to bring your family or friends come here.
Sangat menarik dan boleh menarik perhatian orang ramai turis datang ke Brunei. Keindahan alam sangat menakjubkan. Boleh mendapatkan banyak maklumat mengenai bunga-bunga, flora dan fauna terutamanya. Saya harap banyak sekolah-sekolah akan mengunjungi tempat tasik marimbun ini, kerana sangat rugi jika tidak datangi ke sini, kerana ada salah satu daripada warisan ASEAN di negara Brunei Darussalam.
Sementara itu, dalam hasil bahan kajian yang dijalankan di Taman Warisan para Pelajar membahaskan pendedahan bagi keselamatan dan pemeliharaan serta mempromosi Taman Peranginan Tasik Marimbun. Para pelajar dari Sekolah Sains dan Teknologi Singapura dan MaktabSains Paduka Seri Begawan Sultan berganding dalam beberapa kumpulan dan membuat blogspot bagi menerangkan cara terbaik untuk memelihara taman peranginan bagi kegunaan penduduk di negara ini pada masa hadapan.